Now there once was a shepherd who had 100 sheep, and he would take care of them when awake and when asleep. He knew every one, and he called them all by name.
See, oh, Dipsy, oh, Bibsy, oh, come by, Bibsy.
And he cared for each one exactly the same. Now the sheep were not daft, and they listened to his voice, and he led them into fields where the grass was most choice. Our shepherd watched them always, by day and by night, always being careful to keep them all in sight. And if danger came by, from a wolf or from a bear, he would take up his stick and chase them right away from there. So the sheep were taken care of in every single way, and everything was perfect until one day. The shepherd awoke one morning, but something wasn't right. One of his precious sheep had disappeared from sight. He checked several times, counting with the greatest care, but when he reached a total, one of them wasn't there. Desperately worried and desperately sad, he prayed in his heart that what had happened wasn't bad. Then he left the others and set off on his way to find the missing sheep. The one had gone astray. He searched every inch. He travelled far and wide, checking every place where a sheep might just hide. He was tired and exhausted, but he never stopped to rest, totally determined not to give up on his quest.
Bobsy!
Suddenly, he saw it on a hill nearby, and the shepherd let out a most heartfelt sigh. He brought it back home, laughing with delight, and said, "My friends, we must celebrate tonight. I found my sheepy, the one that went away. So let us rejoice this happy, happy day."